In a world where technology reigns supreme, the heart of innovation beats within the semiconductor domain. Welcome to Embedded in the Future, Semiconductor Domain's Path to Progress. In this captivating journey, we will delve into the intricate world of semiconductors, exploring their vital role in shaping the future of technology. Our story begins with the inception of semiconductors, those tiny but mighty components that power our modern world. From the pioneering work of Shockley, Bardeen, and Brattain to the birth of the transistor, the semiconductor revolution has been nothing short of remarkable. Today, semiconductors are the invisible heroes behind nearly every electronic device we use. From smartphones and laptops to smart refrigerators and electric cars, they are everywhere, enhancing our lives in ways we often take for granted. As we peer into the future, the semiconductor domain's influence grows exponentially. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are driving this evolution, and at their core are advanced semiconductors powering neural networks, enabling machines to learn and make decisions like never before. But the journey doesn't stop there. The Internet of Things, or IoT, promises a world where our devices communicate seamlessly. This interconnected web is only possible due to the constant innovation in semiconductor technology, making our lives more efficient, safer, and smarter. In the pursuit of sustainability, semiconductors play a crucial role. Energy-efficient designs and power management solutions are driving the semiconductor industry towards a greener future, reducing our carbon footprint and helping combat climate change. As we gaze even further into the future, we encounter the realm of quantum computing. Semiconductors are at the forefront of this technological frontier, promising unimaginable computational power and the ability to solve complex problems previously thought unsolvable. In the semiconductor domain, progress is the only constant. From humble beginnings to shaping the future of technology, semiconductors have come a long way. As we navigate the uncertain terrain of the future, one thing remains clear: semiconductors will continue to be embedded in our lives, powering the innovations that shape our world. Join us on this extraordinary journey, where the path to progress is paved with silicon dreams, and the future is embedded in the very essence of semiconductors.